I realize more and more now that certain things in life is all based on you putting your time in. Certain things you just have to invest the time. You have to say you had been involved in this 5, 10, 15, 20 years in order for you to really get a full understanding or be able to teach it or be able to start business around it or be able to really benefit from the knowledge. It's like you have to put your time in. You have to go through that cycle. You have to knock on doors. You have to learn um, how to self-discipline yourself, because at the end of the day, I think a lot of it is based on self-discipline, because a lot of us don't know how to fully pursue a goal. And to me personally, I think it starts off with self-discipline. It starts off with cutting some of your own habits and fixing your mind frame to say, you know what, I know this might not be the correct way of thinking about something. Maybe I need to think like this in order to accomplish it. You know what I mean? I remember an old school guy told me one time, Joe, you can get more with sugar than you can with shit, don't you? And I never forget that. You know what I mean? Just saying, sometimes if you give out, you know, um, better content, or you give out better vibes when you're dealing with certain people, or whatever the situation may be, you can get further than just trying to think about yourself all the time. There's nothing wrong with prospering and winning, but you also have to form a relationship. You have to do business. And business and robbery is two different things, because I could rob you one time for whatever amount it is, and I'll never be able to do it again. You see what I'm saying? But if we do business, we can do business for 20 years. And then I can do business with your son. And then I can do business with his son. And then his son can do business with my son and they son. You see what I'm saying? So business is all about forming a relationship, but we have to start with the discipline first. And you have to realize the difference, not trying to jump into this, just trying to fully benefit you, because you have to think about both parties. The people that you network with, the people that you do business with, you want to do business with them for a long time. You want to have something that can help them and their kids and their families, and vice versa. And that's what make good businesses. Just think about some of the brands you have been shopping with personally. Probably some vehicles that you been buying because that vehicle was reliable for you. You see what I'm saying? So you stand on a certain brand. So, I think we have to do the same thing when we're thinking about business. So just wanted to stop through here, man, and say that we have to put our time in, and most definitely think outside of the box and get started. I don't know what area you in. I don't know what your situation is. But if you just get started doing something, writing it down, thinking it out, speaking it out, get started. Hog on.